Welcome back to our YouTube reviewing channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of meat tenderizers and presenting you with our top 6 picks for the best meat tenderizers in 2023. OXO Good Grips. Get ready to experience meat like never before with the OXO Good Grips Meat Tenderizer, our first top pick. This incredible tool will revolutionize the way you prepare meat, ensuring every bite is a succulent and tender delight. Featuring a dual-sided design, the OXO Good Grips Tenderizer offers versatility like no other. Use the flat side to pound thicker cuts of meat, breaking down those tough fibers, or switch to the textured side to tenderize with precision, allowing marinades to penetrate deeply for maximum flavor infusion. But the magic doesn't stop there. The OXO Good Grips Meat Tenderizer is designed with your comfort in mind. Its ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, allowing you to exert the right amount of pressure with ease. No more straining your hand or wrist during those lengthy cooking sessions. And with its durable construction, you can trust that this tenderizer will withstand the test of time, ensuring you countless mouth-watering meals for years to come. Next up, we have the Aliglow Meat Tenderizer. With an impressive 48 stainless steel blades, the Aliglow tenderizer creates tiny channels in your meat, allowing marinades and seasonings to penetrate deeply, resulting in an explosion of flavors with every bite. But that's not all. The Aliglow tenderizer's ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making the tenderizing process a breeze. And for added safety and convenience, it features a built-in safety lock, allowing for easy storage when not in use. With the Aliglow Meat Tenderizer in your kitchen, you can transform ordinary cuts of meat into succulent masterpieces bursting with flavor. Trust us, this Aliglow Meat Tenderizer is your ticket to culinary excellence. Don't miss out on this essential tool for every kitchen. Moving on to our third pick, we have the KitchenAid Gourmet Meat Tenderizer. Crafted with precision and excellence, this tenderizer is a must-have for any serious cook. Made from sturdy aluminum, it guarantees durability and reliability for all your tenderizing needs. What sets the KitchenAid Gourmet Tenderizer apart is its versatile design. It features both a flat side for pounding thicker cuts of meat and a textured side for tenderizing to perfection. Comfort is key when it comes to the KitchenAid Gourmet Meat Tenderizer. Its large ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for optimal control and reducing strain on your hand. Plus, the built-in storage cover ensures that your tenderizer stays protected and clean when not in use. Norpro TENDERIZERPRO-BX. Next, prepare for a heavy-duty tenderizing experience with the Norpro TENDERIZERPRO-BX Meat Tenderizer. This robust tool is built to handle the toughest cuts of meat with ease, delivering exceptional results every time. Constructed with solid aluminum, the Norpro TENDERIZERPRO-BX boasts durability and strength. Its 48 sharp stainless steel blades effortlessly break down tough muscle fibers, transforming even the most challenging cuts into tender, succulent masterpieces. Equipped with a long handle, this tenderizer provides superior leverage and control, making the tenderizing process a breeze. With this exceptional tool in your kitchen arsenal, you can take on any meat with confidence. Whether it's a thick steak or a tough roast, the Norpro TENDERIZERPRO-BX will tackle it with precision and efficiency. Elevate your cooking to new heights and delight your taste buds with tender, juicy meats that will leave you craving more. Weston Meat. Now let's turn our attention to the Weston Meat Tenderizer, a trusty companion for meat enthusiasts. Designed to deliver efficient and consistent tenderizing, this tool will take your culinary creations to new heights. Equipped with 31 stainless steel blades, the Weston Meat Tenderizer ensures thorough and even tenderization with minimal effort. Its sturdy construction guarantees long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for effortless tenderizing. With this tool in hand, you can transform ordinary meats into extraordinary culinary delights. Unleash your creativity in the kitchen and explore a world of delicious possibilities with the Weston Meat Tenderizer. From marinating to cooking, this tool will elevate your recipes to a whole new level. Last but certainly not least, we present the Jaccard Meat Tenderizer, a true game-changer in the world of culinary tools. His exceptional tool is designed to revolutionize your cooking, delivering outstanding results with every use. Boasting 31 high-quality stainless steel blades, the Weston Meat Tenderizer ensures thorough and precise tenderization, allowing you to achieve tender, succulent meats that will impress your taste buds. This tenderizer effortlessly breaks down muscle fibers, resulting in a melt-in-your-mouth dining experience. And built with durability in mind, the Weston Meat tenderizer offers long-lasting performance. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, making the tenderizing process a breeze. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.